YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this. My channel, Mr. It's your beat. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Yo, 400 likes if you don't mind, appreciate it. Thank you. All right, so you know the title of the video. You already see. I went to Noble to go pick up those Thunders. I'm gonna let y'all see what was up in the store. This is the Noble on Jerome and like Kingsbridge. Shout out to them for letting me hit on that damn raffle, even though, you know, took a couple days. But anyway, yes, I have seen. I'm pretty sure somebody's hit me up if I look at my DM. But yes, I have seen the eggplant foams. Pause if you have to, and pause sneaker news. But yeah, I see that they dropping, and just not any. They are coming out, full now version, but that's for another video. At least no more 2010s. But anyway, yo, we're gonna go check out what's in Noble. I'm gonna show y'all some outside B-roll of these fours.
Haven't been rapping lately. Too busy building funds. LLCs and business credit. I've been killing them. I made 100,000 off cologne. Hear that feeling come? Rapping might not be where you get your first million from. It started with an apartment. Let's get it cleaned out. I bought my first 100 grams and put a team out. Right. Remember Miss Wilson that kept the plastic on that green couch? Yeah. I've been in the real estate. My first flip was a fiend house. Right. Fast forward to Black Fortune. 3 sneakers owned. Without Nike or no Adidas, I did all 3 my own. I mean, you could work for another nigga, to each his own. I won't spend my life answering office calls or no speakerphone. Right. Shit, insecure niggas don't let they bitch out, they wanna keep them home. Shit, if you don't trust her that much, my nigga, just be alone. You know why I picked this beat? It's the perfect fit for me. I've been a champion, without the cameraman. You can't tame him if he lying, you worthless pricks can't eat. Cause y'all just sit around with clowns, them circus tricks is weak. Grown men buy rollies, I feel godly here. Niggas who just start buying watches buy Cartiers with a bunch of SI diamonds, that ain't hardly clear. Nigga, them watches gonna be played out again in about another year. Listen, they say life's a game, it's like a jigsaw when you broke. Right. So despite my change, I still know how to slick walk on a coat. It's a lifestyle. Stick talk for the hate lovers. Metallic great X6 with slick talk on the break covers. My daughter fresh for like 8 summers. Tell her no? Shit, I try to. But how I'ma tell her no when she on the honor roll in high school? Facts. Common cold to be is like a common cold. I rhyme smooth. $100,000 bet and I ain't trying to lose. Wait, 30 pointers and they shine too. Shit, I keep my hands on some numbers, but watch me get out of line when it's time to. Look, I'ma keep building. Stack plans and dollars. It's 2022, you still trap, fam? You wildin'. I'm in the office bugging, corporate thugging, no more crack grams of powder. You know what they hate more than a black man? What? A black man with power. Yeah, I used to tap dance on powder. Thinking like, why can't I be better? Shit, you think if them guys stamp you it's better. But the drug game don't come with no financial investor. Right. Yeah, now I got a financial investor. Man, your money talk pathetic. What you show, 220,000? Well, I got that out in investments.
All right, 400 likes if you don't mind though. Went up in Noble. As long as they keep me on the raffle list, yo, Noble, yo, they had some shit.
I'll give you the benefit of that thing. He was a little overzealous. It was a little, you know, too hype, bro.
I ain't really see anything worth speaking about. I did like those colorful fitters. It was kind of cool, but I ain't got nothing to go with them. So speaking of nothing to go with them, this makes me segue into those Thunder 4s. Because a couple people have asked, they're like, yo, do you regret not getting them joints? No. Matter of fact, the cat that I got them for, shout out to my guy, Jay, he even asked me, he was like, yo, was you trying to get there? I was like, nah, I'm trying to get them for you. You know what I'm saying? And that was it. I don't have any gear for them. And they weren't my thing back then. Not my thing now. Pause, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, nah, I do not regret going the Spider-Man route, not one bit. Number one, there's no regret. Spider-Man is my favorite character. I don't have any yellow and black. I understand like these sneaks are loved or whatever, but nah. And you ain't even gotta feel like you missed out. Cause I know resale ain't high on them joints, so I ain't even tripping. I know I'm tripping cause I gotta go to work pretty soon. But yeah, no get. That's really what drives me when I cop these sneaks though. Anyway, I don't give a damn about what's hype, what's not. Tell me how many Travis Scotts that I've didn't even know was dropping. You know what I'm saying? You know me, man. Give me a pair of Diamond Turfs. I'm cool. That's that. I don't want to discuss these Thunder 4s anymore. I beat it into the ground. Yes, I was wrong. They did sell out in men's sizes. Nah, they sold out. I'm trying to be like wrong or right. They did sell out in men's sizes. So yeah, and if you cop, yo, that's what's up. I've seen cats walking, and yeah, I'm a peep whatever sneak you got on. So, you know, yeah, it's like, ooh, okay. And I'm glad I got them for Lil Wave. But for me, that's a no. I'm Team Spider-Man all day. But anyway, it's the weekend now. The next vid coming up is definitely, I definitely got to speak on those phones that are dropping in 2024. Like I said, 2024, ain't nobody talking about retirement, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, definitely speak about that. Definitely try to find some new spots to eat. And speaking of eating, yeah, I might as well find a spot today.
Discreet, cause we too deep to let the police peep. 4-car fleet, whole squad, ride with the heat. Niggas is heartless, regardless of who you be. You might get killed walking your doggy down the street. Me, I'm paranoid, I hear him creeping in my sleep. Trust just to follow the word. Leave it to me, all these niggas out. Ain't no falling in and out. Real dogs, lines don't cross.
So as usual, I gotta eat, and I found a new spot. Today when I was trying to figure out what I was gonna eat, I saw that they got a spot called Healthy Choice, because I was like, let me check out some healthy stuff, because I know the weekend's coming up and you know me, I be wanting to eat out. You know what I'm saying? I went to this spot called, of course, Healthy Choice on Jerome and like around Kingsbridge area. Yo, I see that they got something called the vegan chopped cheese. Bullshit. Now the only thing about this spot was, when I first got there, I knew I wanted the juice, I knew I wanted the chopped cheese. So I tell the dude behind the joint, mind you, this is my first time out there. I was like, yo, let me get the chopped cheese and the juice. He was like, oh, the juice, you gotta order down there. All right, cool. There's only one cash register. So I ordered the chopped cheese, go get my juice. I'm waiting, chilling, looking around, chilling. Like, damn, shit taking a minute. Chilling. Finally, I go around back to the side. My joint just sitting up there. I was like, all right. My first time, I don't know, you know what I'm saying? I'm used to them taking it to the register. That's where I gotta pay. While I'm paying, there's this other cat. He was like, yo, tell your boy, you know, like he was tight. He was like, I told him I wanted to cook like this. He gonna tell me, He was like, yo, I spend every day out here. You know, add that up each month. You know, I was like, all right. And I was like, hey, and yeah, another thing, I know I'm new here. You know me, I try to chime in. Yeah. No, I was like, yo, you know, I told him the situation. He's like, okay, I apologize. I'll let him know. So anyway, this is the vegan chopped cheese. Now, our first look, this cheese ain't melted, but I'm in. All right. Let's see. My mom thinks this ain't even cheese, but hey.
Damn, what, you starving?
It's good. Vegan chopped cheese on the hero. Or you already know, gotta swill it down with a ginger bit. Ain't no bullshit though. This is it. Yep. Wish I could have got it a little warmer though, but it is what it is. It was decent. I was gonna do their sweet potato fries, but I was like, nah. But yeah, I'm gonna have to take Dari out there, let her try that joint. Yeah, it was pretty decent. So yeah, I would check them out. Just be on point. Make sure when you do order, you stay right there, because yeah, I don't know. But yeah, nice clean spot, super snacks, all that. But yeah, it was alright. I can't front. And I ain't the one, you know, if it's weak, I say it's weak. You know what I'm saying? Like, I tell you it's weak. But shout out to the Wave Mom. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter be. That Snups.
Damn! Damn!
It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Ocean Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.